Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. 3-bedroom, 2-bath custom-designed home located 1 block from historic downtown Swansboro on large corner lot. Water view of the inland waterway from living room and master bedroom. Ceramic tile, hardwood and carpet floor coverings. 2 bedrooms, full bath and laundry room along with kitchen with bar seating on main level. Step down to large open living room and master suite with gas fireplace that opens to both rooms with waterway views. Screen porch access off master and living room with decking to enjoy. No pets allowed.